Start this bracelet, you want to take your shortest cord, match the ends, and then run it through your fingers to find the centre. And then you want to do the same thing with one of your longer cords. So I'm going to pick the one for the same side, obviously, so I can lay these together. So these should look like this. And then you want to do the same thing with your other cords. So taking the shortest one, match the ends to find the centre, and then taking your longest one, again, just find the centre, and then put these together like that. So next you want to join these two pairs in the centre. So you want to take one of your colours and to feed it underneath the loop that you've got there, and then you want to take the tail ends through the loop and then just pull to tighten to create your join. So next you want to work one of your halves, so you can take one half and just tie a temporary knot so that you can attach it to the board. So next you want to arrange your cords in order on the board, so your shortest ones should be in the centre and clip to the bottom of your board, and then your longest ones on either side. So you can start by doing your square knot over here, just by working over, over, under and through, and then under, under, over and through. You just want to keep doing your square knots all the way down until you've done the first half of your bracelet. So once you've done the first half, as long as you want it, you want to do the exact same thing at the other side. So once you've done both sides, you can finish off with your fastening. So I'm going to do a braided tie-on, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And once you've got that, as long as you want it, you can just tie a knot in the cords at the end just to hold them in place. And then you can trim and seal any excess. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal here, but you could use glue if you prefer. And you want to do the same thing at the other side. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed half and half macrame bracelet.